Good afternoon, everybody. Well, off on another walk today, and today I'm heading towards Dalry train station and going to Paisley, where I'm going to see what I can find to show you. I've got my eye on a couple of places, but I'll try to find somewhere quiet where it's not overrun by people. And I'm definitely avoiding the high street because there's nothing to see in the high street until they refurbish the museum and art gallery. So we'll see when I get there. Now today it's supposed to be really warm, which is rare for Scotland. So I've got the t-shirt on, I don't have a jacket with me. But that's folly in this country because you just don't know. Quite often the weather report is good, but you get soaked with the rain anyway. So fingers crossed. In Paisley there's quite a few old historical buildings, but one of my favourite places that I used to enjoy as a boy is a church up in Oakshaw. And at the base of this church is some cobbled street, and there's some shapes cobbled into the street, and it's because somebody apparently fell off the steeple. A workman fixing the steeple died when he hit the street, and the shapes on the street are apparently where his bits and bobs fell out of his pocket, like a handkerchief, spectacles, things like that. So I'm going to try and show you that.
We are now approaching Loch Winnock. Please mind the gap when alighting from the stream.
quite a steep hill. I must be getting old because I'm knackered. This is a steeple that the man fell off. It looks like it's getting more work done. So, trying to find the cobbles where his bits and bobs fell. Spectacles. Hanky. Heart. It's a bit grim, his heart lying in the ground. I expect it's just where he landed. Anyway, there you go. Up here in Oakshott Brae is one of my favourite parts of Paisley. It's quite strange because it's close to one of the most rundown parts of Paisley, which I think is just typical of a lot of British towns. You get decent areas next to bad areas. There's not much of a walk between them, but there's no point in showing you bad areas, is there? There are very few observatories in Scotland, but Paisley has one. I think there's only about 3 or 4. That grand dome was once a school. My sister went to it when she was only about 5 years old, and then it shut down. It's luxury flats now. So much easier walking down here than it is walking up. enjoyed today's trip to find the local legend in Paisley. Poor chap that fell off a steeple. It's been there for a long time, and hopefully those cobbles will stay there for a long time to come. Bye bye now.